where are you from?
I'm from Slovakia originally.
Her dream was to stay in America.
She paid me a total of $1,000 for my services to get the paperwork all together.
For the purposes of getting you a special visa.
That's correct, Your Honor.
But will she be packing her bags?
They submitted the application on your behalf, and it was rejected.
After they didn't fill in the blanks?
The Department of Homeland Security says that's incomplete.
This is Judge Judy.
Ms. Pedikova, where are you from?
Your Honor, I'm from Slovakia originally.
And how long have you been here?
I've been here for over 4 years in total.
And when you first came here, you used the defendant's services
That is correct, Your Honor.
for the purposes of getting you a special visa.
That's correct, Your Honor.
In what year was that?
It was 2015, September.
And in 2015, their job was to fill out the paperwork for you and expedite getting this visa.
That is correct.
And you understood, because they don't make a determination as to whether or not you get a visa. They just fill out the paperwork. But you were successful in obtaining a visa.
That's correct.
And the visa was about to expire.
That's correct.
And you went back to them again.
Absolutely.
When was that?
We initially started a conversation in May
2018. And when was your visa set to expire?
On August 6, 2019.
And from 2015 to when you went there in 2018, had you had any instances with the law?
Yes.
What were those experiences?
I had a DUI.
In what year?
It was April 6, 2016.
And that was the basic change in your circumstance, the only change in your circumstance, that one DUI.
Your Honor, the DUI was received before an approval from immigration. So the immigration already was aware of the situation.
You were first here in 2015.
But we filed...
The DUI was 2016.
I have arrived on a B1, B2 tourist visa, and I was waiting for my application to be approved. And I had a DUI on...
But when you filled out the application, you did not put down that you had a DUI.
That's correct.
Okay.
Yes.
So when you filled out the application in 2015, they asked you if you had any criminal. You put down no, which was true. Between that time and the time that your visa was granted, you got a DUI.
That's correct.
Right. Now, you went back to the defendants when your visa was well in advance, and your complaint is that you paid them to process your visa,
yes,
an extension of your visa, and you paid them, and your visa was rejected.
Yes, Your Honor. The visa were not rejected.
Was it rejected?
It was not rejected.
What was it?
They showed me an evidence on 23rd of December 2019 that my application was incomplete.
Okay, I would like to see, how much did you pay the defendants?
The contract, the renewal services were $1,000.
Did you complete her application?
Yes.
She's going to show me that in December of 2019, she received information that her application was incomplete. She contacted you initially in May of 2018.
Yes, she contacted me and asking me if her DUI was going to be a problem with her renewal because...
That's when she contacted you. When did you complete her paperwork?
In July. We completed her paperwork.
July of 2018?
19.
What took you a year?
Because she wanted to secure our services to get her paperwork ready. She needed to get job offers and all her letters and all her evidence together. We couldn't submit the same evidence as the first time. It has to be different evidence.
So you submitted it a year later because she was getting evidence?
Yes.
Okay. Would you please show me page 5, part 5, number 11, which is what Department of Homeland Security states as the reason that her application was returned because it was incomplete.
Here we go. We had it with this right here.
You should put that on.
Yeah, yes.
Well, who were you working for? It says see itinerary. It says the dates of intended employment, January of 2018 to September 2022. And then it says in what type of business. And what's written in here is see itinerary. And then it says current number of employees, gross annual income, net annual income. Those are all blank.